What's up, Buck Doug with D&E in the Garage. A couple people have asked me since I've been making videos how I got car seats into my Jeeps. Had a Cherokee before this, got the WJ now. Obviously you can see there's a car seat back there. A lot of Jeeps do not come with factory tie-down points for car seats. Some WJs do. I think it's like 2000 to 04, but there is a good way to get factory car seats if you don't have them in your Jeep already. All right, this is what a car seat looks like in a WJ. As you can see, using the factory mounting that they give you, the car seat's rock solid in there. It's actually more secure, tighter in this Jeep than it is in my wife's Compass. Traditional tie downs are going to be in between the back of the seat and the bottom of the seat. There'll be little metal loops right there that the chair will come with clips that you clip on. That's not how they do it on a WJ. All modern car seats are going to have a strap that goes up and down and one that goes side to side. You take the up and down strap, you strap one end to the seat and the other end to this little tie down loop. That's what these are. I never knew that. Before I had a kid, I did not know what those tie down loops were for. That's what it's for. So the top one goes there, then you take your stock seat belt, it goes through this part of the car seat, you belt it on down there, you actually get in and put your knees right here to really compress this and pull this tight. You end up with a rock solid car seat. Now the bummer is that this is a 2001. My 2000 over there does not have those tie down loops on the roof. So what you have to do is you go to a Jeep dealership, you tell them you're trying to put a car seat in a 2000 Jeep Cherokee, Jeep Grand Cherokee or whatever, and they will sell you tie down loops that, oh, I guess they go right here. I guess they go, you'd undo this, and I think they bolt where that big torque set is there, and bolt right there, and maybe it bolts to this, and then you have the traditional style loops that allow you to bolt a car seat in there. So that's all there is to it. If you got any questions, by all means, leave me a comment down there in the squawk boxes. Don't mess around with car seats, you know what I mean? Do it the right way. Go hit up your dealership if you need to. Make sure everything's nice and secure. And if I'm not mistaken, pretty much all local police departments, if you stop by, they will check a car seat for you and let you know, like, hey, yeah, that's put in correctly, or no, man, you didn't do that right. So anyway, as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.